talagang walang...
I've never heard of any blank BICAM report. Una, no, I never heard of anything like that. And number two, yun nga, it's kind of weird every time I hear people talking about the constitutionality of such committee report, because when you question the constitutionality of a measure, it's the law itself, hindi yung report. Yung kukwestiyonin mo yung law, yung batas na ipinasa ng both houses.
Posible na may blankong items, sir.
Hindi ko nakita whatsoever, no. Wala akong sa gana ng aking pagkakaalam, wala akong nakita. Lalo na when we were signing it, I was concerned of the Senate reports. As I mentioned earlier, there are about 235,000 items. So may mga lump sum pa rin. Para sa akin, since time immemorial, I've been calling to break it down para mas makita natin. So kung meron mang lump sum, ibig sabihin, maaari o posible na merong isang item doon, meron lang total, pero hindi alam saan dadalhin. Something like that. It's a possibility. I'm not saying it's true, but it's a possibility na may lump sum doon na wala pang paglalagyan. Yun ang isang possibility.
Sabi ni Senator Win, kasi kung may blanco, hindi magkatalo.
Oh, sir, definitely. Kaya nga, what I'm saying is, for example, mayan, yung isang item ay 1 billion, for instance. Pero hindi mo alam saan lalagay yung 1 billion. Pero mayroong